Hi, Judy from Witchpeace Craft, welcome. Well, today is the finale of my 6-month make-along #BookBuddyAU. We explored all sorts of children's books written by Australian authors or illustrated by Australian illustrators. Our last book was There Was an Old Man Who Swallowed a Chook by P. Crumble and Louise Shea. This book was really well received. A lot of people went all out on this last book. So what did I do for my project for this book? Well, he swallowed a chook, so I thought I would make a chook. For those of you who don't speak Australian, that's chicken. Yes, we call them chooks. So I had bought this pattern probably around January. Could have been before that, could have been after that. But it sort of sat there, and then I pulled it out and I thought, this is what I'm going to make. So I made Coop, a pattern by Madeline Mako, this one. And here is my Coop. Ta-da! He is great. He is ideal size for what I want to go with the book. As you can see, won't be a moment. A lot of background noise today, sorry. So there you go. That will be my book buddy. It's all made in Millen yarn that I have bought over the last year or so. And I used a 4.5mm crochet hook. What can I say about this pattern? It is absolutely amazing. It was so easy and so quick to make, and it turned out, I think, pretty good. I think he's pretty awesome, to the point I think I should make a second one because I really like him, and I do have another book. It's as per usual Madeline Mako patterns. There's lots of instruction, lots of pictures on where to put things. I just love it, and I do have quite a few of her patterns. And to be honest, I probably would buy more. So Coop by Madeline Mako, paid for pattern on Etsy. I'll put a link to her Etsy shop in the description below. What do you think? And I'm like everybody else, picking fluff, red fluff off Coop to Coop. Isn't it great? And to go with this book, just perfect. So when I review all the books for the 6 months, I guess my favorite would have been The Koalas Stole My Undies. Mainly because I raised 2 boys and it resonated with me, but that was my favorite book. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite book. I'd really like to know. So, as I said, everybody went all out during June to finish up the make-along, and I do have a picture slideshow which will follow this video. Amongst that, I've decided to do 2 participant prize draws. And because postage is ridiculous, I'm going to do 2 $25 gift vouchers picked at random from 2 participants. I wish I could give everybody something. I really enjoyed seeing what you made, and I love the fact that you go out of your way to send me the photos. So yes, a slideshow to the end, dropped in somewhere, 2 participants who will win a $25 gift voucher. Please congratulate the winners. Congratulate everybody for taking part. You have my utmost appreciation for following my make-alongs. They are hard work, but I do enjoy them. And whenever an idea hits me, I think, oh, I should do that. Whether I do one next year, I don't know. But I won't be doing it for 6 months. It'll be a lot shorter. Mainly because I'm always time poor. But yes, do you like my Coop? I've asked you that. I love him. I really want to make another one. What else is there? So now, if you have a bit of a gap in your crochet or crafting schedule, you can join me in a cowl that I'm helping host called Summer Cowl 2026. Yes, I know it's winter down under, but what better way to keep warm and think of brighter days than doing something for summer? because we all get a little sick and tired of making beanies and blankets. So a nice little summer project in between would be great. So I'll put a link to my first episode video in the description below. Check it out. Come and join me in the Summer Cal 2026. I'd really like to have some participants. I have received a couple of photos from my first people taking part, and I don't know how many projects there'll be. It runs from 21st of June to maybe mid-September, something like that. Check the video out, the details are there. And there's different collaborators, so you don't just have to stay with me, you can go and join someone else. And up for grabs is a summer cal patch that you can own. So guys, thank you so much for taking part in the make-along. Between now and December, you never know, a little make-along may pop up just for fun. Enjoy the slideshow and congratulate the winners or the participant prize winners for this make-along. Bye for now.